Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Now, close to 100 children from in and around the Olympic Gardens community recently turned out for a one-week camp put on by former Reggae Boys defender Ian Pepe Goodison at the Kling Kling Oval. Jordan Fort reports.
The initiative, which was conceptualized by Goodison, saw the children being taught the basics of football as well as off-the-field courtesies such as respect and discipline. Goodison explained why he decided to start the camp.
Growing up, you have to just sit down and watch a big man them play and join in with them as a young youth. So if we, as a former Reggae Boys, can come back and give back to the kids, get them out of the house for the holiday, teach them a few things. Discipline are the most important thing you have to teach them. Manners, have manners. This man, we have a prayer meeting with my sister.
He also says being a former Reggae Boys player gives him an advantage in imparting knowledge to the youngsters.
Yeah, because some of them is the first time they must see me so close and them in the community. So it's happy for some of them, the system come out and I play with them and I teach them a few things. It's a joy for them. Because from morning when I'm up on Goodison, Pepe, you understand, because they always see me just ride past on my bicycle or bike or something. So it's an honor for them. Give them a bit of energy to come out and can do what me do from nothing.
His sister, Stacey Ann Goodison, was behind the scenes pulling the strings.
Well, I had to send a letter to the Hunts Bay Police Station because we believe in safety and security of our children in the community. And we're not just dealing with children in this community, but surrounding communities. As far as Mona, we have from Franklin Town. Yes, we have a nurse on board, and just in case anything should happen to any one of our children, we know that's very important because sometimes our children, we didn't do a medical before they came here. So just in case, they may feel exhausted or something, they can go to the AC nurse room and chill a bit and the nurse will take care of them. We have our first aid kit and we have everything intact.
Richard Bryan was the coach at the camp.
And kids that have been sitting home not doing nothing could get themselves active, get themselves prepared for tomorrow, for further on to come in football, right? As I say, they are here, we're teaching them both football itself and how to discipline themselves overall, getting academic work done, because without that right now and discipline, football is going nowhere. So we are here building them from this young stage, helping them to grow, motivate themselves to move on further.
One of the campers, Campion College student Zidane Smith, spoke of the importance of the camp.
It's really important because we have match Wednesday and this can train kids, young children to be great footballer, to achieve big like Pepe Goodison.
And Shenian Stanford was one of the parents whose children participated at the camp.
That's a great thing to have them enroll in sports activities and keep them fit and stuff like that. Every parent should support their kids in whatever they do. Every parent should do that.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.